Hi, I'm Matt Nooch, and this is a demo of an experimental webAR concept. And that concept is dynamically combining different webAR pages together in the same app. So if you're not familiar, webAR is basically a type of technology where a web page accesses the camera of a device and then overlays an augmented reality scene into the view. And so you can see what I have here is I have a piece of paper with 3 different images printed on it. Each of these images will act as a target marker for a different webAR app. We're going to do something super basic. All we're doing is putting a colored cube onto each target marker, but we're going to do it dynamically. We're going to load those individual webAR apps and put them in and take them out dynamically as separate web pages and as we want to add them. So you may be able to see some text here in the middle that says augmented reality in the center marker. That's the background. So you're actually looking at a webAR app currently, which overlays that text on that marker. And then in the bottom right of the screen, you may be able to see some checkboxes. I've added 3 checkboxes, one that says yellow, one that says red, one that says blue. And as I check each one of these, it will add a different webAR scene into this app and onto the view as illustrated by the different target markers. So I'll check the yellow checkbox, and you can see it added a yellow cube onto one of the target markers. I'll check the blue box, and you can see it's added now a blue cube onto a different target marker. And these two are totally different web pages, webAR pages, with their own web URLs. And I'll check the red one, and you can see now we have 3 webAR scenes, 4 technically counting the background, all overlaid on top of each other. So you might say, well, what's the big deal? They're just colored cubes on a piece of paper. Well, what's really cool about this concept and this technology is these webAR scenes don't actually have to be created by the same creator or even be intended to be combined together. Basically, what we're demonstrating is the concept of augmented reality, web augmented reality that could be created by totally independent people for totally independent reasons with their own triggers and placement of objects, and we're combining those together into the same app. And so I'm going to uncheck these boxes, and you see as we uncheck the boxes, it actually removes the cubes. So that's basically the concept. We're just dynamically loading and unloading augmented reality. Thank you very much.